All right, so you want to navigate on your computer to find the project, and yeah, I'm gonna be choosing a randomly the word project, not related to this class. All right, so let me go to, okay, so I'm gonna, okay, so I have, in this charts folder, I have numerous PDF files here. Other than that, it's pretty simple. So I want to, yeah, I want to push everything to my to new GitHub. As you can see, I don't see any Git, right? That means this folder is not, I mean, this project is not linked to a GitHub. All right, so the first thing you want to do is um, go to Tools and click Version Control, and then click the project setup, and then this uh, little like window here, choose Git as a version control. As soon as you do that, you are asked, which do you want to initialize a new Git repository for this project? And say yes. And then it's going to, it said you need to restart RStudio in order for this change to take effect. Do you want to do this? Yes. All right. Now you can see there's a Git tab appeared. And then here's everything that I have here is highlighted. And uh, let's click them. Git ignore is a file that tells do not, if you click this, you'll see here, it automatically listed those things. And it tells Git that do not ignore these and do not push them, do not even show in this window. All right, we'll do this one, that one, and uh, here's a publish. That was automatically created when I publish a page to a quarter pub. And here I'll just also push it. And then this one is long. Everything there is automatically chosen. So I'm now clicking command. So if you don't want to upload, you don't need to click. I mean, you can selectively choose files from your project folder, and I'll say initial commit. All right. So it's committed, it created a mode. So it did that. Now, the next step is to press pushing it, but it's not clickable. That's because RStudio doesn't know where in GitHub it need to push. So we need to tell that. So that's our next step. So I'll X out of this and then go to your web browser. And then here you'll go to here's my GitHub. And then I will click the new, okay. And then I need to choose appropriate name. So think about your project name and use the name that will remind you about it later. And for me, that is about R programming. So I'll say R programming. So that's available. So okay. And this description is optional, but I'll say um, this is uh, this is a lecture on the programming, and I'll make it public. Right. The rest of them you don't need to worry about it. Uh, just you can add README file later. So for now, just leave it as is. Git ignore, we already created it, so we don't need it. So here, just click create repository. Okay, now we have these. There are three options given. Okay, the first one, the second one, create a new repository on the command line. Now this is not relevant for us because we've already converted existing project folder and we've initiated already Git and then we've already committed it. What's left is like this three line, which is right there, push an existing repository from a command line. So this is what we use. If you look at this, it tells you where the location of the GitHub. And this is the location of this GitHub repo. And then it tells where the main, and then push it. So we already committed it and we need to push it. So this three is what we need. You can Control C or use this. Let me use this one, copy. And then you want to go back. Now, go to here, click terminal. Can wait a little bit until it's settled down. There are lots of things, and if you remove all the clutter, you can always go to tools and then click terminal and new terminal. You don't have to do this, but that tend to make it clean here. Okay. Then you want to paste what you copied. When you paste, you can try with Control V. It's not going to work. So you want to use right mouse click and then use paste. Okay. The first two lines have been already executed, but the last one is still waiting for your action. So here, you just hit the enter. Then it does the job of pushing it. Looks like there's not, it appeared to be, it appeared to have gone through well. So now you want to go back to your repo and, to confirm whether or not this has been successfully done. Okay, you just refresh it. Okay, now I see all these. I'm gonna click my subfolder and all these already posted as well. Okay, so those are not bad. I have so many PDF files that were automatically generated. One data visualization for uh, the PDF. All right. So now you need to decide who among your group members to be the person who will host your project. Okay. And then that host uh, can go to, so you can also go to your setting, and then here's a collaborator. You click that, and it's going to ask you to type a password, and I saved it. So here I'm going to use this confirm. All right. Then now here, you add, okay, you haven't invited any collaborators yet. You can add people, okay? So you can, it can, the username of the GitHub or the email associated, um, and then you can type all those your members, and then you press the add repository, right? Then an email will be sent. An email would look like this, okay? And then when the members see this, and you can click the invitation, and either move directly here because I've already accepted the invitation. So like that. All right, so that's the process. Then next, right? You are the member and you accepted invitation, right? And then let's say this is, oh, that's not it. Okay. No, you accepted the invitation. Okay. And hmm, and sometimes I don't know when to show, but the members your icon may show up. All right, so um, yeah, but you can, but that doesn't, easily show that you joined it. Uh, Now there's another way of showing that who joined this, and you as a member you cannot access the setting. Only the host have the right to access the setting. And once you go to setting and when you click collaborators, that's when it shows all the people. Right? It shows whether the person who invited accepted or not as well. Okay. So once you accept it, then you are able to access this host's GitHub repo. There, you'll want to clone it, right? You want to copy this, right? So here you copy, and then you will want to go to your RStudio again, and then you want to create a new project and version control, and create a project from the version control because you are linking this project to that GitHub repo. And then here you will decide where. Now I'm going to, I'm just doing it as a demonstration. So I will choose a download page. Or let's see, a desktop. I'm not going to make another one in the same directory where I linked the existing, where the existing project is located. So here I'll open, and then I will here Control V, and automatically your project's directory name is listed here, and I will create a project. Okay. Okay. And we have now Git, and there's nothing shows up because there are no changes, right? And each time you start your RStudio, it's a good idea to pull this so that any update that were made, might have been made by your team members, is downloaded. Since nothing has been updated, it's said already up to date. And then you can open this and collaborate. You could add your own file. So you might want to go to your project folder that you have been working, and then copy your own unique data analysis QMD file, paste it into the folder, right? And then let's suppose there's something that this is that file that you, and here I'm going to make just little changes. Okay, and then as soon as you made the changes right here, Git sees the difference, and then let's suppose you are going to commit this. So you'll want to commit and upload. So you'll say upload Jamin Chang's QMD file for AO3, something like that. And then now it allows you to push it because we know where to push, right? And then when you go back to this hosts, QMD, your group project, QMD, Google, I mean the GitHub repo, and you refresh it. Do we have that? Oh, this one. It was not a new one. It's just the same one that I uploaded. Okay, so that's how you can uh, update the existing files or create a new one or copy it or move from a different location to this project folder and upload. And that way, uh, your group member is readily access it and they can download them and they can take a look at and improve upon it. All right, so that's the whole process. I'm going to stop recording.
And Dr. Jung, just to confirm, just one group member needs to submit this for on behalf of the whole group?
And to get your rest of the members get the credit, they need to clone it
Sure.
and they need to also push something there.
Gotcha. Yeah, we've been doing that for sure. All
So,
yeah, in the background. Cool.
yeah.
Thank you.
Dr. Jung,
Mhm.
I used to be able to use the Git, and lately, and I had a token that expired, and now I created a new one. It's not letting me, so I'm gonna just paste in the chat the error that I'm getting. If you could give me some guidance, please.
The token, I haven't dealt with it. I'll just give you and your team more time to finish. So, I don't know about token. So yeah.
I tried
Uh,
everything, and I'm not able to. I can't get it uploaded for some reason. I created
mm,
the new repository. I was able to commit, and it just gives me constant error because of the authentication problem.
mm.
So I mean,
You searched online to find some recommendations. It's free, so you don't have to pay. Uh, and yeah, does you know, anyone dealt with tokenization? Ricky, when you create with you joined the program last year, so you're more recent.
Pardon me?
Have you any issues when you connect your Git to RStudio?
No. No, it was I don't remember. It's a blur. But I followed the videos and
maybe I'll try a new account. Thank
I followed all the videos from Jared and everything seemed to work. And then I didn't use it for a long time until, just recently.
Mm,
And it's cool. I see the value for sure.
mm,
Yeah, as far as tokens go, yeah, I don't know.
okay.
Good luck,
Uh,
everybody.
so any team that has encountered technical issues, I'll give you extensions.
Thank you.
All right. So I think that's all I have. And if you have a question, you can ask me now or after the class is over. And we are almost done. It's close 9:50, which is the ending time. So let's adjourn the meeting.
May I ask a question?
Sure.
Um, Sorry, this is sort of like an individual question, but I was looking at my grades and it seems like the grade just took a, like, I don't know, went down like 20 points because I don't know if something's been missed or not graded. I've turned in everything and I went from an A to a 73 and I'm scared. So can we, I can send you an email about it later, but I don't know what's happening.
Okay. On 6400?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not sure what I did or did not on that. It may has to do with I'll take a look at it.
Sure. Yeah, I'm
I
looking at the,
Mm.
I think that's because you put 0 on the class
Oh,
participation assignment.
the zeros are automatically added when deadline passed. It is system-wide thing. So then when it's time for me to grade, I change it. So don't worry.
Mhm.
okay. I just,
Yeah.
I have anxiety, Dr. Jung.
Okay.
It's diagnosed and it's like a legitimate thing. So,
Um,
okay.
well, yeah.
I'm
Sorry
a
about
I'm a
that.
perfectionist and it's debilitating. So, thank you. Thank you for letting me be so vulnerable as well.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
the system is set up like that in the beginning, and when the deadline passed, it automatically added 0. But I never added 0 myself, so it was not my intention. I'm learning something new too.
Okay. We
Mm,
gotta talk to someone about that. Yeah, because
mm.
I'm looking at the points. I have like, you know, 78 out of 80 points, and it should be a 97%, but it's down to 73. It's weird. Okay, but I'll let you do your job. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful evening.
Thank you. I'm going to, let's see,
Thank you, Professor. Please have a good night.
Thank you.
thanks. Good night.
Good night.
Professor, I have just a quick question.
Uh-huh.
So my group, we're hoping by because tomorrow we have our biweekly meeting with Lynn tomorrow, and I'm
Mm,
hoping by tomorrow we're able to complete visualization, but we still don't have anything to complete this group assignment that's due tonight, where we have to upload to GitHub. So my question is, if, like we previously mentioned before, can we submit that maybe at the end of this weekend, if not sometime next week when we have
okay,
all the legitimate data wrangling and visualization?
that'll work.
Uh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mhm. Yeah, you may see like 0, but don't worry, it's not what I did. Uh, but that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, appreciate that answer. Thank you.
Okay, good night.
Good night.